The earth remembers. It holds secrets whispered by the wind, etched in stone, and buried beneath layers of time and conflict. For centuries, battlefields have been fertile grounds not just for sorrow, but for the accidental preservation of the past. But what if those battlefields, those killing fields, are hiding something far more profound than scattered weaponry and forgotten trenches? What if the very act of clearing these lands of mines is unearthing evidence of lost civilizations, master engineers who built not just for defense, but for survival on a scale we can barely comprehend? Consider the minefields that scar regions like the Balkans, Southeast Asia, and North Africa. These are not just remnants of 20th and 21st century conflicts, many overlay areas of ancient settlement, trade routes, and, crucially, zones of historical strategic importance. Demoning efforts, painstaking and often perilous, are inadvertently becoming archaeological surveys. And what they are revealing is challenging long-held assumptions about the technological capabilities of our ancestors. The prevailing narrative is that ancient warfare was primarily fought above ground. Fortifications, siege engines, and open-field battles dominate our understanding. But what if a parallel history exists? A history of underground warfare and subterranean cities, built by civilizations that understood the strategic advantage of depth and the devastating power of concealed defenses. Take the example of Derinkuyu, the ancient multi-level underground city in Cappadocia, Turkey. Capable of sheltering an estimated 20,000 people, complete with livestock, food stores, and ventilation shafts, Derinkuyu is a testament to the engineering prowess of its builders. While its exact origins are debated, radiocarbon dating suggests construction began as early as the 8th century BCE, likely by the Phrygians. Its purpose? To provide refuge from invasion and persecution. The city features ingenious defensive mechanisms, including massive stone doors that could only be opened from the inside, and narrow passages designed to funnel attackers into vulnerable positions. A veritable labyrinth of protection. Now, imagine that Derinkuyu is not an isolated anomaly, but part of a larger network of subterranean complexes, interconnected by tunnels and strategically located beneath key battlegrounds. Imagine these cities, not just as refuges, but as fortified strongholds, equipped with advanced defensive systems designed to deter or repel invaders. This is where the demoning efforts become crucial. In areas like Laos, one of the most heavily bombed countries per capita in history, the unexploded ordnance removal programs are uncovering more than just bombs. They are revealing evidence of ancient earthworks, complex irrigation systems, and, intriguingly, anomalies that suggest the presence of subterranean structures. While direct links to advanced underground cities are still speculative, the sheer scale of the earthworks and the strategic placement of these anomalies near historical conflict zones raise compelling questions. What secrets are buried beneath the Laotian soil? One compelling, though controversial, theory posits that some ancient civilizations possessed a far greater understanding of geophysics and engineering than currently acknowledged. The construction of the pyramids in Egypt, for instance, continues to baffle engineers. While the prevailing theory involves ramps and levers, the precision and scale of these structures suggest a level of technological sophistication that is difficult to reconcile with the tools and resources supposedly available at the time. Could there have been other, now lost, techniques involved, perhaps including methods for manipulating the earth and creating stable underground structures? Did they possess knowledge we have since forgotten? Consider the legend of Agartha, the mythical subterranean city said to exist beneath the surface of the earth, often associated with advanced technology and spiritual enlightenment. While dismissed by mainstream science as a fanciful myth, the persistence of this legend across diverse cultures from Tibetan Buddhism to Western esoteric traditions suggests a deeper psychological resonance. Could Agartha be a distorted memory of a real network of underground cities, perhaps built by a civilization that predates recorded history? A tantalizing whisper from the distant past. The ancient text, the Mahabharata, describes sophisticated weaponry, including flying machines and weapons capable of mass destruction. While these descriptions are often interpreted metaphorically, some researchers argue that they could be based on real technological advancements that have been lost to time. The discovery of the Mohenjo-Daro site in Pakistan, with evidence of vitrified ruins and unexplained radiation levels, has fueled speculation about the use of advanced weaponry in ancient warfare. The challenge lies in distinguishing between archaeological evidence and speculative interpretation. Correlation does not equal causation. The presence of earthworks near minefields does not automatically prove the existence of underground cities. However, the increasing frequency of these discoveries, coupled with the growing body of evidence suggesting advanced technological capabilities in ancient civilizations, warrants further investigation. We must approach these discoveries with a critical eye, applying rigorous scientific methods and avoiding the temptation to jump to conclusions. The Roman Empire, from 27 BC to 476 AD, provides a strong historical counterpoint. Despite their advanced engineering skills in aqueducts and roads, there is no evidence they constructed large-scale underground cities for defense. The focus was on above-ground fortifications and logistical networks. This highlights the importance of contextualizing the evidence within known historical and technological constraints. What we need are interdisciplinary teams of archaeologists, engineers, geophysicists, and historians working together to analyze the data from demoning operations. Ground-penetrating radar, seismic surveys, and advanced imaging techniques can help us identify potential subterranean structures and assess their age and complexity. Chemical analysis of soil samples can reveal evidence of past human activity, including the presence of specific materials or technologies. The search for lost civilizations is not just about uncovering ruins. It is about understanding the ingenuity and resilience of the human spirit. It is about learning from the past to build a better future. As we continue to clear the land of mines, let us also be mindful of the secrets that lie beneath our feet. Let us be open to the possibility that the Earth remembers more than we think, and that the act of healing the scars of war may also lead us to a deeper understanding of our own history. The evidence is scattered, the interpretations debated, but the question remains: are we on the verge of uncovering a hidden history of ancient, advanced civilizations who mastered the art of underground warfare and city construction? What discoveries might future demoning efforts reveal, and what will they tell us about the true extent of ancient technological prowess? Share your theories and insights below. What do you think lies beneath?